Welcome to Best Choice. The best Ravensburger puzzles are probably one of the most captivating and rewarding ways to spend your leisure time, offering a delightful blend of challenge and satisfaction as you piece together stunning imagery. Whether you're a seasoned puzzler seeking a complex masterpiece or a beginner looking for a fun and engaging activity, Ravensburger provides an unparalleled experience with their diverse range of themes, from breathtaking landscapes and intricate artwork to beloved characters and educational designs, ensuring there's a perfect puzzle for everyone to enjoy and display. Number 5. Ravensburger Puzzle Store Storage System. Keep your puzzles neatly organized with this storage system. It's designed to accommodate puzzles up to 1,000 pieces, making your puzzling experience more enjoyable. Experience peace of mind with its snap-tight closure. Your puzzles are safe in this sturdy carrying case, ensuring secure storage and transport. The spacious assembly board provides a convenient space to build your puzzles. It holds formats of up to 1,000 pieces, fitting perfectly within the case. Transporting your puzzles is easy with the included strap handles. Plus, the 5-compartment sorting tray helps you keep all your pieces organized. Enjoy a hassle-free experience from the start. This product ships in certified frustration-free packaging for your ultimate convenience. What we like? If you're tired of losing puzzle pieces or having them scattered everywhere, this storage system is for you. It keeps puzzles up to 1,000 pieces neatly organized and secure with a snap-tight closure. The included sorting tray also helps keep your pieces tidy during assembly. What people say. The puzzle pieces are thick and well-cut, fitting together perfectly. The image quality is excellent, with vibrant colors and sharp details. It's a challenging yet rewarding puzzle, perfect for a relaxing evening. Number 4. Ravensburger The Book Palace 1,000-Piece Jigsaw Puzzle. Escape into a world of stories with this captivating 1,000-piece jigsaw puzzle. It's designed to offer a relaxing and immersive experience, perfect for puzzle enthusiasts aged 14 and up. Experience the trusted quality that Ravensburger is known for worldwide. Each piece is crafted with precision, ensuring a perfect fit every time. Assemble shelves filled with beautifully bound books in this bright and vivid puzzle. The matte finish minimizes glare, making for a more enjoyable puzzling session. Discover the satisfaction of our unique soft-click technology. You can trust that each piece will connect smoothly and securely, creating a seamless final image. We are committed to sustainability. This puzzle is made using materials sourced from responsibly managed forests, certified by the Forest Stewardship Council. What we like? If you love the cozy atmosphere of a library and enjoy detailed, vibrant imagery, this puzzle is a fantastic choice. Its soft-click technology ensures a satisfying fit, and you can feel good knowing it's made with sustainably sourced materials. What people say. Wonderful puzzle with bright colors and enough detail to pick and place pieces. This is a beautiful puzzle of excellent quality. It was very challenging but not so much that you couldn't put it together. This is one of the most beautiful 1,000-piece Ravensburger puzzles that I've ever done. It's a good challenge, too, but not so much that it gets frustrating or aggravating. Number 3. Ravensburger Tabletop Puzzle Easel. Experience the joy of puzzling with this premium accessory. Crafted from high-quality beech wood, it offers a sturdy and comfortable experience. Say goodbye to back pain and glare. With 4 adjustable settings, you can tilt and raise the surface to your perfect position for a truly ergonomic session. Keep your puzzle pieces exactly where you want them. The soft, felt-covered surface ensures everything stays in place, preventing accidental slips. Short on space? This accessory folds flat for incredibly compact storage, making it ideal for any home, no matter the size. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This is the ideal present for any puzzle enthusiast, designed to elevate their hobby and enhance their puzzling experience. Whether you're working on a small project or a grand challenge, this accessory comfortably accommodates puzzles up to 1,000 pieces. What we like? If you often experience back pain or glare while puzzling, this easel is a game changer. Its adjustable settings allow you to find the most comfortable angle, and the non-slip surface keeps your pieces securely in place. It's perfect for those who want a more comfortable and focused puzzling experience. What people say. I love that I can set it at different heights for ease of use and cuts down on me hunching over to view pieces and eases my back. The velvety board is easy to clean with a lint brush and it is heavy but extremely well made. This helps with that, and it easily folds away for when I'm not working on a puzzle. Number 2. Ravensburger Abandoned Series, Deserted Department Store Puzzle. Discover the charm of the Deserted Department Store Puzzle, a journey back to the stylish 1950s. Explore a world of time-warped mannequins and stunning architectural details. Crafted with extra-thick cardboard and premium paper, this puzzle offers a vibrant, crisp, and glare-free image. Enjoy a superior puzzling experience that lasts for years. Experience the magic of our unique soft-click technology. Each piece fits together perfectly, making it a beloved choice for puzzle enthusiasts everywhere. Engage your mind and build essential skills like concentration, patience, and problem-solving. It's a rewarding activity for solo enjoyment or shared fun. Feel good about your purchase. This puzzle is made with sustainable materials, supporting forest conservation and our planet's well-being. What we like. If you're drawn to unique, nostalgic themes and appreciate high-quality construction, this puzzle is a must-have. The Deserted Department Store offers an engaging visual journey, and its extra-thick pieces with a crisp, glare-free image ensure a premium puzzling experience. What people say. It has that classic Ravensburger quality, sturdy pieces, precise fit, and a low-glare matte finish that's easy on the eyes. The image itself was nicely challenging but not overly dark like some others in the series, which made for a more pleasant build. There's a surprising sense of nostalgia in the artwork. The details of the old store are both haunting and beautiful. Beautiful bright colors and great picture quality. Love Ravensburger Puzzles, that's always my first choice, because of exceptional quality. Number 1. Ravensburger Amiee Stewart Backstage 1000-piece puzzle. Step behind the scenes with this stunning 1000-piece puzzle. It's a vibrant collage perfect for puzzle enthusiasts of all ages. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This puzzle makes an excellent present for birthdays, holidays, or as a relaxing pastime. Enjoy the superior quality of our puzzles. Each piece is precisely cut for a perfect fit, with a linen-like finish for a glare-free experience. Our pieces are made from recycled cardboard, ensuring they are kink-resistant and durable. You can trust in our handmade punching knives for consistent quality. Once completed, this 1000-piece puzzle measures 69.90 centimeters x 49.70 centimeters. It's a rewarding challenge for those aged 14 and up. Once assembled, this beautiful puzzle can be glued and displayed as a striking piece of wall art or given as a special gift. What we like. If you're a fan of colorful collages and appreciate the artistry of Amiee Stewart, this puzzle is for you. Its precisely fitting pieces, thanks to handmade punching, and reflex-free image make for a delightful assembly. It's also a great option if you're looking for a meaningful gift or a beautiful piece of wall art once completed. What people say. The pieces are good quality and stay together very well. Great detail in the picture and lots of color subtleties which make it interesting and challenging. The completed thing was stunning. There were plenty of tricky parts and places where I got stuck for a while. Great challenge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.